Namaste, dear readers. On this auspicious Sharan Navaratri day, we will chant a Saraswati Stotra from the Markandeya Purana. This is called Sri Mahasaraswati Stavam. This is given in the 23rd chapter of Markandeya Purana, in the chapter which discusses the Madalasa Upakhyana. Ashvatara Uvacha Jagadhatrimaham Devim Ariradhayishu Shubham Stoshye Pranamya Shirasa Brahmayonim Saraswatim Sadasaddevi Satkinchin Mokshavaccharthavat Padam Tatsarvam Tvaya Samyogam Yogavaddevi Samsthitam Tvamaksharam Param Devi Yatra Sarvam Pratishthitam Aksharam Paramam Devi Samsthitam Paramanuvat Aksharam Paramam Brahma Vishvanchaitatksharatmakam Darunyavastito Vanhi Bhauma Paramanavaha Tatha Tvai Sthitam Brahma Jagacchedamasheshataha Omkarakshara Samsthanam Yattu Devi Sthira Tatra Matra Trayam Sarvam Asti Yaddevi Nasti Cha Trayo Lokastrayo Vedastraividyam Pavakatrayam Trini Jyotim Shivarnascha Trayo Dharmagamastatha Trayo Gunastraya Shabdastrayo Vedastatha Shramaha Trayah Kalastatha Vastaha Pitaro Aharnishadayaha Ye Tanmatra Trayam Devi Tavarupam Saraswati Vibhinna Darshinamadya Brahmano hi sanatanaha Soma samsthaha vissamstha Paka samsthascha saptayaha Tas tvaducharana devi Kriyante brahmavadibihi Anirdeshyam tatha chanyat Ardhamatranvitam param Avikaryakshayam divyam Parinama vivarjitam Tavaitat paramam rupam Yanna shakyam mayoditum Nachasye nachatadjihva Tamrosthadiviruchyate Indro opi vasavo brahma Chandrarkau jyotirevacha Vishvavasam Vishvarupam Vishvesham Parameshwaram Sankhya Vedanta Vadoktam Bahushakha Sthirikritam Anadimadhya Nidhanam Sadasanna Sadevayat Yekam Tvanekam Napyekam Bhavabheda Samashritam Anakhyam Shadgunakhyam cha Vargakhyam Trigunashrayam Nana Shakti Matam Ekam Shakti Vaibhavikam Param Sukha Sukam Mahasaukhya Rupam Tvai Vibhavyate Yevam Devi Tvaya Vyaptam Sakalam Nishkalanchayat Advaita Vasthitam Brahma Yachadvaite Vyavasthitam Yertha Nitya Ye Vinashyanti Chanye Ye Va Sthula Ye Cha Sukshmati Sukshmaha Ye Va Bhumau Ye Antarikshenyato Va Tesham Tesham Tvatta Yevopalabdhihi Yachamurtam samastam Yadva bhuteshvekamekancha kinchit Yaddivyasti क्ष्मातलेख्येऽन्यतो वा त्वत्सम्बद्धं त्वत्स्वरैर्व्यञ्जनैश्च